How to draw an isometric vanity. First, setting your canvas. Start to draw a mirror. Yes, and next, draw a table that connect to the mirror. Adjust the size a little bit so we have space for the table. This is still one layer. Next, create a new layer and start to draw a storage drawer. Start to draw drawer knobs. You can draw just one and duplicate. Move the layer of the drawer and then duplicate again. So now you got 3 storage drawers. Go back to the mirror and putting the mirror frame and lightings or light bulbs. You can draw just one light bulb and duplicate all of them and arrange them around the mirror frames. After that, work all the layers. Next, start to draw a vanity chair. Create a new layer first. That look like pretty much done. Oh, I will try to put the color on the chair. Look good. It's done.